This Thursday, I'm Jonathan Martin. Today, we have learned the federal appeals court has now denied Mario Guevara's request to stay in the U.S. He could be deported to El Salvador as soon as today. Ariana Maniz following this story for us live outside the ICE field office. So, Ariana, what does this ruling now mean for Guevara and his case right now?
Well, Jonathan, Mario Guevara's family and advocates say that he is being punished for what should be his First Amendment right. But the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, they're saying that this really came down to immigration law and not freedom of press. Now, this is video from when Guevara was first arrested back in June during the No Kings protest that happened in DeKalb County. Now, all criminal charges connected to that arrest were dismissed after video showed he followed police orders, but ICE kept him detained for months. Over 100 days, even after an immigration judge ordered his release on bond. And today's ruling comes after the Board of Immigration, they reopened a case that's been closed for 13 years now and issued a final removal order denying his request to stay here in the country. And in that order that was issued today, it goes on to say, there is no doubt that Guevara, a non-citizen journalist, had a First Amendment right to report on the protests, but at this juncture, he has failed to show he is likely to succeed on the merits of his immigration claim. And the court said that his failure to file a required application to adjust his status, despite his U.S. citizen son's petition, left him without a strong case for relief. Now, his attorneys and advocates are still pushing for him to be released, for him to stay here in the country. The ACLU, they're calling this an all hands on deck moment, calling for people to sign a petition on his behalf, saying that the Trump administration is retaliating against a journalist for his lawful reporting, saying that he fled El Salvador out of fear for his safety, and his attorneys are still pursuing an emergency action in federal court. Reporting live from the ICE field office, I'm Ariana Maniz for 11 Alive. Back to you.
Ariana, thank you so much. So much still developing with this story. We will be updating you throughout the day as well.